Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing CR-1 and IR-1 immigrant spouse visas. I'm going to make this in the context of immigrant spouses married to Americans, but it could pertain to those married to a lawful permanent resident as well. I've had a lot of people ask me over the past months, what do I think it's going to be like under a Biden presidency with respect to immigration? What are we looking at moving forward in the field of U.S. immigration with respect to processing times, etc.? And basically, the long story short is, people ask me if it's going to get better under Biden, and my short answer is yes, but it's going to take time. It's not going to happen instantaneously. The other thing we're seeing, at least with respect to the U.S. Embassy here in Bangkok, is cases that have been kind of clogged up in the National Visa Center are starting to move out. And we are starting to see cases that were documentarily qualified, albeit months ago, starting to get their interview dates set. So that's definitely a major positive development with respect to immigration. But exactly who's going to be set when and what times and how this is all going to play out, that remains to be seen. It also should be noted there are limited numbers of slots for interviews, and it's my understanding under these sort of COVID prevention protocols that the government is instituting, they're not doing as many interviews. So it could be moving forward at a slower pace than we're used to in years past. Presumably and hopefully things like the vaccine and maybe changes in government policy may result in things moving faster as time moves forward. That being said, that's all mere speculation at this point. Will 2021 be better than 2020 for immigration? I think probably, but I think a good chunk of 2021 will look a lot like 2020. Sometime around April, May, I think we may see the real light at the end of the tunnel brilliantly upon our faces. But at least for now, things are probably going to move along a little bit slowly as we move through this situation and things sort of come back online.